Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede BBQ, and today we're grilling some amazing ribeyes with Lyonnaise Potatoes on the Beale Street, powered by Memphis. The first thing that we want to do is set the Beale Street, and we're going to set it at 500 degrees, and we're using oak or hickory pellets for this cook. Now when the Beale Street is ready, it's time to start preparing the Lyonnaise potatoes, and we're going to start with the onions. So here's what we're going to do. Start by thinly slicing 4 yellow onions. Then you want to heat up some olive oil in a large cast iron skillet in the grill. You will add the onions and season with salt and pepper. Now you want to cook this and stir continuously until the onions are caramelized, which will take about 8 to 10 minutes. While we're waiting, it's time to season the ribeye. We have a beautiful steak, so we're only going to season it with salt and pepper. Then you want to add some garlic to the skillet and cook until fragrant, about a minute, and then transfer the mixture to a bowl. Now when the onions are ready, the next part is preparing the potatoes. So here's the steps. Start by peeling 2 pounds of Idaho potatoes and then slice thinly. I like between 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch thick slices, and I use my mandolin to get this done. Then you want to place the potatoes in a pot of salted water and bring the potatoes up to a boil and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the pan from the heat, drain the potatoes and cool. Now you want to lower the temperature of the Beale Street to 400 degrees and place the cast iron pan back on the stove and melt the stick of butter. When the butter has melted, cover the bottom of the pan with 1/3 of the potatoes. Now you want to season with salt and pepper and cover the first layer of potatoes with half of the onion mixture. Cover the onions with 1/3 of the potatoes, season with salt and pepper again. Repeat the layering until all of the potatoes and onions are used. Place the pan in the oven and cook for 10 to 12 minutes or until the potatoes are golden brown. Remove the pan from the grill and cover with foil and keep warm. The Lyonnaise potatoes are now finished and the steaks have been seasoned for over 45 minutes. So it's now time to set up the Beale Street powered by Memphis to direct flame grilling. So here's the process. Now you want to increase the temperature of the grill to 550 degrees and press the temperature increase button again 2 times to put it in direct flame mode. Then you want to insert the direct flame insert and grill the steaks for 7 to 8 minutes until medium rare. Remember, when using the direct flame, always grill with the lid open. You also want to flip the steaks every 45 seconds or so, because that will make them cook more evenly. Remove the steaks from the grill, slice it, and serve with the Lyonnaise potatoes. And that is how you make grilled ribeyes with Lyonnaise potatoes on the Beale Street, powered by Memphis. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to Memphis Wood Fire Grill's YouTube channel or check out their website, www.memphisgrills.com, for more recipes like this. And I think the only thing left for me to do is to try this and see what it looks like. And look at that. That looks amazing. So here we go. Steak is cooked to perfection. The onions are awesome. The potatoes are just creamy enough. This is really, really good. I hope you try it at home. Steak and potatoes, man. Happy grilling.